Karma Guy here. Check out this 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 Sport Utility. Price to sell due to a Carfax caution for structural damage. But don't worry, the necessary repairs have been made, and this vehicle is ready for a new owner. With a dealer service history and up-to-date emissions, this luxury SUV comes dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price at the time of sale. We've included a recent computer scan with the photos. All 8 monitors completed successfully, no pending or stored trouble codes, no dash warning lights, and it passed emissions diagnostics. We know purchasing a vehicle is a big decision, which is why we offer peace of mind with our warranty and service plan. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, so ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come see us today.